पुढची बातमी बघूया। खासदार जया बच्चन यांच्या नामोल्लेखावरनं राज्यसभेमध्ये पुन्हा एकदा खडाजंगी झाल्याचं पाहायला मिळालं। सभापती जगदीप धनखड यांच्याकडनं जया अमिताभ बच्चन असा नामोल्लेख करण्यात आला। जया बच्चन यांच्याकडनं अध्यक्षांच्या या नामोल्लेखावर आक्षेप घेण्यात आला। मी अभिनेत्री आहे, देहबोली आणि उच्चारण जाणते असा जया बच्चन यांनी म्हटलेलं आहे। सभापतींचा बोलण्याचा टोन मला आवडला नाही अशी टिप्पणी देखील त्यांनी केलेली आहे। खडाजंगी दरम्यान विरोधकांकडनं राज्यसभेमध्ये मोठा गदारोळ झाल्याचं पाहायला मिळालं। देशामध्ये तुम्हाला अस्थिरता निर्माण करायची अशी सभापतींची टिप्पणी देखील यावर समोर आलेली आहे।
जया अमिताभ बच्चन is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूं, मैं कलाकार हूं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूं, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूं। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. Jaya, one second, honorable members. Honorable members. Honorable no. बैठिए. Honorable members. बैठिए. I know how to deal with it. बैठिए. Jaya ji, you have earned a great reputation. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No, she's given to you. No, you don't have floor now. No, enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing, nothing. No, not at all. I will not bear it. One second. Please sit down. Please take your seat. No. Never carry an impression that only you build reputations. We come here build reputations. We live up to reputations. Nothing doing.
या सगळ्या गदारोळानंतर जया बच्चन यांनी नेमकी काय प्रतिक्रिया दिली आपण ते देखील पाहूया।
परंपरा के खिलाफ है। You have to allow the leader. Who is going to protect us? The leader of opposition. We are all together in opposition. If you are not going to allow him to speak, if he is not going to be heard in the House, then what are we doing? And on top of that, every time using words which are unparliamentary, which I don't want to say in front of all of you. You are a nuisance, बुद्धिहीन, ये सब शब्द जो है ट्रेजरी बेंच वाले भी बोलते हैं। हाँ, he said you may be celebrity, I don't care. I'm not asking him to care. I'm saying I am a member of parliament. This is my fifth term. I know what I'm saying.
आणि यानंतर एक महत्त्वाची बातमी आपण बघूया। केशवराव भोसले नाट्यगृहाच्या उभारणी